Warp, my favorite terminal, and it's slowly becoming your favorite terminal too. And
Our favorite terminal.
Our favorite terminal has become open source, which is really exciting. But what does it mean? It means quite a few interesting things actually that's come out of it.
Cmd+AI.
It's an AI terminal actually, for those who don't know, and it's quite good because you can type in agentic commands and it will interpret that and run the terminal commands that relate to what you're doing. So you normally have to access servers via the terminal. You run core code with the terminal. You do lots of things running terminal, and it's all this bash syntax that's often very hard to remember. Now, if you don't know what open source is, it means that we literally have access to the code that they have access to, which you can download this and you can run it on your computer and you will have the app. You'll have it just like they do. You have to build it and whatever. It means a couple of things. It means you can build your own features. And the first one I had was, how can I download Warp and just have it use Claude Code? So, the beautiful thing about Warp is that it can use a bunch of different agents and things like that. Stop paying for Warp, pipe it into Claude Code, and then just use my Claude Code membership to be able to use it. That's one aspect of it. This is the code on GitHub. So you can just run this. Yeah. Download it, run it. And also the second thing is that you can contribute. So you can actually build features into these things. I do worry that this opens up a can of worms because ever since AI, became big, people were like contributing like crazy to open source projects, just submitting
GitHub
AI
being
slop.
down.
Well, yeah, I mean, there's that as well. That's another aspect to it as well. But there was another aspect to this that was quite interesting, which is OpenAI is the founding sponsor of the new open source repository, and the new agentic management workflows are powered by GPT models. I don't know what this is. I think this is probably something like maybe some actions here. Maybe they've got some GitHub actions, like all of these stuff, the cleanups, create releases, all of that stuff, to protect them from receiving your AI slop. They've got a bunch of agents protecting it, So I think it's that. But yeah, it's quite interesting. It's quite nice that OpenAI are really kind of supporting this open source aspect to it, because the world can't go around, the dev world can't go around without open source. But it's just a nice thing, Again, I kind of want to just get it working with Claude Code and then stop paying my $20 a month fee or whatever it is that I'm paying, or soon to be paying anyway. So that's kind of it. There's nothing much more to say about it. I don't know if you had any thoughts what you might do with an open source thing, or whether it tempts you to contribute to open source.
I just want to show how I'm using it. Vertical tabs and colored by project.
I turn that straight off. I
started doing that, and you can toggle them, and I quite like it. I started because it makes it easy for me to see, okay, what project this is, and then like by color.
I like the color by project. That's an interesting one. How do I turn that on?
So you just right click, or no, just you do this. Yeah, you do this, and then you select.
Oh, I see. You've colored them. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes. I got it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, it's not automatic. Yeah.
No.
So yeah, I just want to show how I'm using it, but how I would change it. I feel like it's a bit too busy here. You see, like the name of the project is like remote control, like rich input. It's like information here. I don't need any of this. And as for the directory, I already have it here. So why do I need it here? So a bunch of like UI changes. That's my biggest issue with Warp. It's that the UI is busy. If you go to just the main terminal, it's just so clean.
I know what you mean, even to the point of that there's a code review button at the top right. And this was added simply because people weren't using it. People didn't know that there was a code review button. And it's like, that's kind of like a bit annoying, because That's cluttering the user interface.
Why would you need to pay for it? Because if I don't use the agent and just use it as a terminal, can I use it for free? I don't know that. Actually.
Yeah, totally. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you never use the agent, yeah, for sure.
I have used the agent, and I sometimes do, and you do the command shift.
Or use iTerm too. Like, I think that's, if you just want something as clean as the terminal, but you want something, a bit more advanced.
I do have it.
Yeah. Why don't you just use this?
I think Warp just has more stuff, and I somehow started using Warp.
I mean, it doesn't have vertical tabs. It doesn't have.
Yeah, true. Because I know you taught me that I can do this, and I can do this, and I can do this. Oh, I don't like also the select state, but I think I can change that.
iTerm is highly customizable.
Clicky.
Yeah, probably as clicky. Yeah.
How can I change?
Or just ask Warp to help you customize iTerm too.
That's mean. That's very mean. And the agents will figure out one day what we're trying to do, and they all say, "Nope, you're stuck with me."
We'll stick your referral link, because I've exhausted my referral links for this app. I want to remind people, if you go to insights.commandaishow.com, we want to build a community around this, tools, whatever it is. I don't know. We want to know. We want to hear from you. If we were to have an insiders community where we kind of meet up once a week and you can learn from each other, from us, whatever it may be, insiders.commandaishow.com, Command AI Show written the way that you expect it to, given the name of the stream right now. Links in also the description or whatever. Let us know. Let us know what you want to do if we're going to build a community, because we're up for it. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Command AI.